Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Bill and Tech. Today in this video I am going to guide you that drain rusty water from the radiator of your car. This is Suzuki Bolan and I am going to drain this rusty water from the radiator of this car without detaching this radiator. So friends, I have placed a bucket there and see from where we can drain the water. Here is the drain opener of the radiator, see, and with the help of pliers you can remove it, rotate it anti-clockwise, I have made it loose, and now with the help of your hand see, water is coming. See, this is rusty water. This is its closure lid. Now see, all the water is drained. Friends, keep it in mind that don't do this if your car is extremely hot. Keep it in mind. Your car should be normal, or do this process when your car engine is in cold state. I am going to start the engine of this car, so the remaining water which is present in the water body will come out. Switch off the car, and now keep it in mind that I will pour a fresh water in the radiator, but I will do this when my car engine is in start state. I will not do this in switch off state, because if I do this, gasket of my car's engine will be expired if I pour water in the radiator and the engine of this car is hot. So better we first start the engine of the car and then pour the water in the radiator. But before this, close the drain opener again. See, here, from here I will close the drain opener. I will not very much tight this closure, because I will open it again to clean any other rusty water which is present in the water body or in the radiator. But before this, I will pour fresh water in the radiator. Before pouring, I will start the engine of my car. Engine of my car is now in start state, and I will pour the fresh water. See, the color of the water is changing. This is due to the rust. This is not the proper method of car's radiator service, but this is just for removing the rusty water from the radiator, because rusty water is also harmful for your car engine.